why don't we just shave it off? And then we laughed about it. And
In the madness, there is peace, drowning out the voices all around me. Through all of this chaos, you are writing a symphony.
what's up, Curl Gang? It's your girl Lalaslim here. Today I'm gonna give you guys the pros and cons of cutting off all your hair to be bald-headed, but actually start from the very beginning. Basically start from scratch. Keep watching. You know, most of the time people tell you all the good things. I'll tell you all the bad things and get it out of the way, and then that way you can decide if you want to start like this. Cut your hair off. Number one, you cannot do braids in your hair, especially when you shave it and you don't have any hair. The only thing you can probably do is like put on like some wigs and cover your hair, do like head wraps and stuff, different things, but you cannot do braids. Con number two, you can't do any ponytails. Again, unless you have like a wig, glue it to your head, or however you do it. Con number three, you end up missing your actual hair. I've realized that in my experience, I've cut my hair a lot of times, but there was actually only one time that I shaved it off completely bald and started from the very beginning. I miss my hair a lot. Even now, like with my hair growing, I miss having like really long hair because I'm so used to just having long hair. And it's like not having it, it's like, it's weird. Con number four, short hair doesn't look good on everybody. So for me, in my experience personally, it does not look good on me. I don't think I'll be shaving my head anytime soon. Number five, you have to wait for your hair to grow back. Feel comfortable wearing it out. That was my experience again. When I cut my hair, I had to wait for a while for it to grow back. I'm trying to think. I think it's been like a year and a half or 2 years already since I've cut my hair. And you know, it's growing. Let me show you guys the actual length. This is the front. The back is a little bit longer. You can see right here is longer. And then this is longer. I might do a separate video on the length. We can't only talk about the negatives and not talk about the positives. So let me tell you guys the pros of actually cutting your hair. Not only cutting it, but shaving it bald. Let me tell you guys the pros. Pro number one, your hair is easy to do. All you gotta do is really wash it and condition it, your scalp pretty much. Super simple, super easy to do. Pro number two, you can just throw on a wig without braiding your hair. That was the thing that I loved the most. Like, I didn't have to take my time to braid my hair and make sure that it's not bulky when I have my wig on. I just put it on because I didn't have no hair to braid. Pro number three, you cut down on wash day by a lot. I didn't spend that much money on products. I didn't spend that much time in the shower washing my hair because I didn't have no hair. So that was the benefit of actually shaving it off. Pro number four, satin bonnet fit on my head. Like the normal size satin bonnets, that's all I've been purchasing like my whole life. And then until like, you know, this year I actually bought like the big bonnets. You know, I just was so comfortable using that, so that's what I used. The smaller ones. And then like way before when I had a lot of hair, I used to have my satin bonnet on. It wouldn't fit my whole hair. I don't know why I never thought to get another one. Maybe I did think about it and I'm just so used to that and I just stuck to what I knew. Number five, you have no tangles whatsoever. Your hair, there's nothing there. There's nothing there to get matted. There's nothing there to get tangled. Pro number six, use less products, which is amazing. We always like to save money. If I can save money somewhere, you know, I love to do that. Those are all of my pros and cons of shaving your hair. I don't ever have to do this again, but I can give you guys a little bit of a backstory of why I had to do it. I ended up doing a natural dye a couple years ago. I did like the hydrogen peroxide and honey and baking soda. I've done that before and it was fine, but like at some point my hair didn't want to take any dyes, so I had to refer back to that. But the thing is, when I referred back to that, I left it in my hair all day. So then like my hair finally took color, and what ended up happening was it was super dry. It was like nothing I did brought it back to life. It was super dry, it was frizzy, it was not good. Like it was horrible. So I couldn't repair it. So I'm like, you know what? me and my sister, we decided to do it together. Like, she came up kind of with the idea, why don't we just shave it off? And then we laughed about it. And then, you know, we ended up both doing it. So that was the reason why I shaved my head, because of the color damage. So after I shaved it, I hadn't colored my hair until this year, actually. My hair was the same color that it's been since, you know, since it started growing back after shaving it off. I finally decided to do a little bit of color. I really like this color, but I might be changing the color. Next video, I want to show you guys how I'm gonna dye my hair. Stay tuned for that in my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos just to help other people with natural hair find my videos, and also to help people, anybody that's trying to grow their hair. I can definitely help you with that.